YouTubes. Gonna head out to a little neighborhood liquor store. It's got an old walk-in box. I'll have to show you guys the original evaporator coil in that walk-in box. But it's got a the drink lineup's down. I think it's like maybe 5 or 6 door drink lineup. But I'll get you over there. Let's see if we can figure out what's going on with this drink lineup. It should be some good old beat up funky equipment. Let's go scope it out. All right, here we are. Look what I noticed here. The walk-in box is iced up for starters. Look at that section line on the walk-in box. This will be the drink lineup unit. Let's turn this off. That thing's flooding back like a big dog. They're using that for a defrost timer. All right, let's go take a look. Here's the coil in the walk-in box. It's old wooden walk-in from the olden days. That's a wick coil. Look at that old bugger. Made in Gardenia. There's the serial number on it. Who knows? Maybe that's 1972. That's how they used to make these. Yeah, we got one fan motor out, see? I knew it. That's why it's flooding back. That fan motor's burned up pretty good. Get some numbers off there. Yeah, she's locked up. Right there. Yeah, that's why she's flooding back. Look at that old TXV. To the school, baby. That's how they used to do them. All right, so it's 5-door drink lineup, 2 little coils in here. There's no thermostat in this box. I'm looking for the probe or anything. Nothing. J-box up there, power feeds to each coil. I'm looking for a probe poking through the box, like maybe the stats on top. Nothing. All right, so the line set just comes out the back of the building right here. There's no solenoid valve and no thermostat, so it's just running off a pressure switch and a defrost timer. Oh, baby. All right, so I come over and hit the pressure switch. Kick off and run. Probably out of gas. Let's get a gauge on it. See if that thing's out of gas. Whew, baby. We got gauged up on it. We're completely out of gas. Let's get the nitrogen and pump it up full of nitrogen and see what starts hissing and pissing. Wow, this is a trip. Funky monkey. All right, I got the nitrogen tank going. Let's pressurize this thing. See if we can find a leaker. Leaker, baby. 50. These get her up to $1.20, huh? Ski. 10. There we go, 120. I hear it. I can hear it leaking from here. Come on. I can hear it. There it is. Pressure switch cap 2. Can you hear it? The old rubber dooski, look. A wood rubber dooski. Hot damn. Alright, we'll cruise around, see if there's anything else lurking. I think this is an old R22 Specialer. Look at this old timer. We'll have to put some super change in it and switch it to 407. So AJ 5519E. Far out. We didn't have a pressure switch on the truck, so we made a patch job here. A little chicken bleep repair. We got the dryer side glass changed out. Pulled the big old vacuum on her. And now we're gonna weigh in the charge through the high side. Let's see how much gas this thing takes. The hose was already vacuumed out from my vacuum pump, so I used my gauges to pull the vacuum. So he's gonna get the fan motor himself for the walk-in. Okay, that's fine.
How much you pay cash?
No, the parts cost too much for the Pro deal. All right, that was my chicken scratch repair right there. Old beater unit. I didn't have a low pressure switch on the truck, so I just patched that one up for now. And then it's always a haggle to get paid over there with that place. And then they don't want me to replace the fan motor in the walk-in box either, so sometimes it is what it freaking is, man. Mamma mia, let me tell you.